तोड़ फोड़ किया जा रहा है। लोगों आह्वान फैला दिया कि मोदी राज्य में 400 रुपये किलो नमक बेचा जा रहा है।
Since the announcement, there's a lot of chaos in the market, there's a lot of panic in the market. Like for businessmen, especially like me, we are not very high-end businessmen like dealing in crores and all, but we are like medium segment. But still, there's a lot of problem. We cannot deposit easily because there's so much rush in the banks, and the limit of 2.5 lakhs for a housewife, it's way too less for us.
It came as a shock. It was not really expected, and we were really not prepared about it. So we had to go 15-20 kilometers in search of the ATMs. And yesterday only we could get the first 2,000 rupees in the 100 rupee denomination.
Being a college student, it's very difficult to cope up with 100 rupee note everywhere. Like, yes, we go some places, we travel through metro, we travel through autos, we travel several places, and it's like very difficult and getting more and more difficult to travel with the 100 rupee note or to take the change.
जैसे ATM है या बैंक है, 6 घंटे से पहले कहीं नंबर ही नहीं आ रहा है, या नंबर आता है वहाँ बोर्ड लग जाता है कि कैश ही नहीं है, कैश नॉट अवेलेबल.
The move was with a noble cause, but I think the overall strategy with which it was implemented, it's more of an inconvenience for the common man, because the bureaucrats and the higher officials, they are not facing these issues as compared to the common man who is facing them. So I don't think this was the right kind of a move. This was the right way to execute this strategy.
Since we are students, so we don't carry such amount with us handy. We usually tend to draw from ATMs and all on very frequent basis. So for past few days it was very tough for us.
We are the kind of people who trade with electronic transfers most of the time, so I don't have any problem as of now, but let's see when I go to the bank and try to withdraw some cash, I will have it.
दिक्कत तो होती है. अब जैसे रूटीन वाले हैं, रेगुलर कस्टमर हैं, उनको तो हम बोल देते हैं कि आप बाद में दे देना, लेकिन हर आदमी को कैसे बोल सकते हैं.
1-2 दिन तो दिक्कत हुआ है, बाकी 60% लोग आ रहे हैं, 40% कमी आई है, थोड़ा सा रुकावट आएगा, लेकिन अभी पैसे बाज़ार में आ जाएगा 500-1000 की नोट, तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
Should be seen as potential benefit to lots of people, because liquidity will move into the market and more liquidity towards the bank. So much money is into the banking system as of now as it was, 2-3 days back.
इससे तो और बढ़िया है. जो नकली आ रहे थे वो भी बंद होंगे. जो गुंडागर्दी हो रही थी वो पैसे से ही हो रही थी. जिनके पास में 2 नंबर का पैसा वही गुंडागर्दी कराते थे, तो वो भी बंद होएगा. इससे तो बहुत उसकी देश की तरक्की की तरफ जाएगा.
I think Modi has done a great job. If we evaluate him from the perspective of taking courageous moves, I think it's a heads up. I think one addition one must have in the government and policy making is to have a more involved decision making at the bureaucratic, public and civil society levels, and also hearing some bits of the opposition. So that's the only suggestion I have for Modi.
Actually, it's the best way if he really wants to remove the black money, because if it would be given on a prior notice, people would have done or something or another, and again the black money would be in the picture. This is the best way out, but yes, I guess removing 1000 rupee note is not a justified thing. The 1000 rupee note can be bring it on back, because yes, 2000 का कोई छुट्टा नहीं देता, तो 2000 का तो मिलना और भी मुश्किल होता है. So
I really don't think so. It could have been done in another way, because otherwise all the money would have been rotated here and there, and this has to be done like this. But yeah, it's a problem of next few days, which should ease out soon. But there is no other way like this.
And it's really annoying that we cannot withdraw more than 2000 rupees from our own ATMs. So like, you cannot take money out from your own bank account. That is really silly.
Taking out the 500 and 1000 rupee notes and then coming up with 2000 rupee note, I mean, that does not solve the problem if you see. Again, the black money will again accumulate very quickly. And so 2000 is a higher denomination, so that should have been avoided. I mean, he could have come up with a new 1000 rupee note